Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So here is the answer. You will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to learn and understand the concept more clearly. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics, chapter 2 fractions and decimals. In that today we will solve exercise 2.4. So let's solve the exercise of the textbook. The first question is find 12 divided by 3 by 4. So we have 12 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. So 12 into 4 by 3. Now we can cut 3 and 12. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. So 4 into 4, that is 16 is the answer. Second is 14 divided by 5 by 6. We have 14 into reciprocal of 5 by 6, that is 14 into 6 by 5. So 14 into 6 is 64 upon 5. So answer is 84 divided by 5. 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So 8 into reciprocal of 7 upon 3. So 8 into 3 upon 7. So 8 into 3 is 24 divided by 7. So answer is 24 divided by 7. Next 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So 4 into reciprocal of 8 upon 3. So 4 into 3 upon 8. We can cut 4 and 8. So it is 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 1 into 3 is 3 and divided by 2. So the answer is 3 upon 2. Next 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3. First we will convert 2 and 1 by 3 into improper fraction, that is 7 upon 3. Now we will find 3 divided by 7 upon 3. So 3 into reciprocal of 7 upon 3, that is 3 into 3 by 7. So 3 into 3 is 9 upon 7. So it is 9 upon 7. 5 divided by 3 and 4 by 7. First we will convert 3 and 4 by 7 into improper fraction, that is 25 upon 7. 5 divided by 25 upon 7. 5 into reciprocal of 25 upon 7, that is 7 upon 25. We can cut 5 and 25, so it will become 1 into 7, 7 divided by 5. So it is 7 upon 5. Next question, second is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. So 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 upon 3. Okay. Because 3 by 7 into 7 upon 3 equals to 1. So it is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is that fraction in which numerator is greater than its denominator. So 7 upon 3 is improper fraction. 5 upon 8. So reciprocal of 5 upon 8 is 8 upon 5, because 5 into 5 upon 8 into 8 upon 5 equals to 1. So it is an improper fraction because here the numerator is greater than its denominator. Next 9 upon 7. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9, because 9 upon 7 into 7 upon 9 is equals to 1. It is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is that fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator of the fraction. 6 upon 5. The reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6, because 6 upon 5 into 5 upon 6 equals to 1. It is an proper fraction because here the denominator is greater than the numerator. 12 upon 7. 12 upon 7, the reciprocal of 12 upon 7 is 7 upon 12, because 12 upon 7 into 7 upon 12 is 1. It is also a proper fraction because here also denominator is greater than the numerator of the fraction. Next 1 upon 8. The reciprocal of 1 upon 8 is 8 upon 1, or we can say only 8, because 1 upon 8 into 8 upon 1 equals to 1. It is a whole number. Whole numbers are collection of all positive integers including 0. 1 upon 11. Reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is 11 upon 1 or 11. because 1 upon 11 into 11 upon 1 equals to 1. So it is a whole number. Whole numbers are collection of all positive integers including 0. The third question is find 7 upon 3 divided by 2. We have 7 upon 3 into reciprocal of 2. So 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2. We will multiply the numerators first, that is 7 and 1, and then we will multiply the denominators. So 7 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. So 7 into 1 is 7 and 3 into 2 is 6. 7 upon 6. We can convert that into mixed fraction, that is 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 6. 4 upon 9 into 5. So 4 upon 9 divided by 5. 4 upon 9 into reciprocal of 5. So 4 upon 9 into 1 upon 5. First we will multiply the numerators, that is 4 and 1, and then the denominator, that is 9 and 5. So 4 into 1 divided by 9 into 5. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 9 into 5 is 45. So answer is 4 upon 45. Next is 6 upon 13 divided by 7. 6 upon 13 into reciprocal of 7, that is 1 upon 7. First we will multiply the numerators, that is 1 and 6 and 1, and then the denominator, that is 13 into 7. So 6 into 1 is 6 divided by 13 into 7 is 91. So the answer is 6 upon 91. Next is 4 and 1 by 3 divided by 3. First we will convert 4 and 1 by 3 into improper fraction, that is 13 upon 3. Then we will multiply that with reciprocal of 3. So 13 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. We can now multiply the numerators first, that is 13 into 1, and then the denominators, that is 3 into 3. So 13 into 1 is 13 divided by 3 into 3 is 9. So answer is 13 upon 9. 3 and 1 by 2 divided by 4. First we will convert 3 and 1 by 2 into improper fraction, that is 7 upon 2. Then we will multiply that with reciprocal of 4. 7 upon 2 into 1 by 4. So first we will multiply the numerators, that is 7 and 1, and then the denominator, that is 2 and 4. So 7 into 1 is 7 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. So the answer is 7 upon 8. Next is 4 and 3 by 7 divided by 7. First we will convert 4 and 3 by 7 into improper fraction, that is 31 upon 7. Then we will multiply with the reciprocal of 7. So 31 divided by 7 into 1 upon 7. So 31 into 1 divided by 7 into 7. So 31 divided by 49. Next 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. 2 upon 5 into reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. First we will multiply the numerators, that is 2 into 2. Then the denominator, that is 1 into 5. So 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 5 into 1 is 5. So 4 upon 5. Next 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 9 into reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So 4 into 9, 4 divided by 9 into 3 by 2. First we will multiply the numerators and then the denominator. But if we can cut the numbers. So here we can cut 4 and 2 and 9 and 3. So it will become 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 2 divided by 3 is the answer. 3 upon 7 into 8 upon 7. So 3 upon 7 into reciprocal of 8 upon 7. So 3 upon 7 into 8 upon 7. We can cut the number if we can cut. So 7 and 7 we can cut. So it will become 3 into 1 divided by 1 into 8. So 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 1 into 8 is 8. So the answer is 3 upon 8. Next 2 and 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. First we will convert 2 and 1 by 3 into improper fraction, that is 7 upon 3. So 7 upon 3 into reciprocal of 3 upon 5. 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. So 7 into 5 divided by 3 into 3. That is 35 upon 9. Next 3 and 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. First we will convert 3 and 1 by 2 into improper fraction, that is 7 upon 2. So 7 upon 2 into reciprocal of 8 upon 3. 7 upon 2 into 3 upon 8. 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 8. That is 21 upon 16. Next, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 and 1 by 2. First we will convert 1 and 1 by 2 into improper fraction, that is 3 by 2. So 2 upon 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 2. So 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. So 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 3. That is 2 into 2 is 4 upon 15 is the answer. Next, 3 and 1 by 3 divided by 1 and 2 by 5. First we will convert both 3 and 1 by 3. Sorry, 3 and 1 by 5, that is 16 upon 5, and 5 and 2 by 3, that is 5 upon 3. So 16 upon 5 into reciprocal of 5 upon 3. So it will become 16 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. So first we will multiply the numerators, that is 16 and 3. Then the denominator, that is 5 into 5. So 16 into 3 is 48, and 5 into 5 is 25. So the answer is 48 upon 25. Next, 2 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 5. So 2 and 1 by 5 we will convert into improper fraction, that is 11 upon 5. 1 and 2 by 5 we will convert into improper fraction, that is 6 upon 5. So 11 upon 5 into reciprocal of 6 upon 5, that is 11 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. First we will multiply the numerators, that is 11 into 5, and then the denominators, that is 5 into 6. We can cut 5, so it will become 11 into 1 divided by 1 into 6. So 11 into 1 is 11 and 6 into 1 is 6. So it is 11 upon 6. So this was exercise 2.4 of chapter 2 of class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also follow us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.